What's happening, you guys? What up, what up, what up? Happy whatever day it is. I've lost complete track of time and space. Press a like. What up, Graph? Yeah, drop a like for the stream, gang. Drop an L for the S. Let's have a look here at gold, my friends. Let's have a look at gold. I'm just kicking TikTok in the bum here. What up, what up, what up? Big Keefy, Big Max, what up, gang? So let's have a look over here. All right. Sorry, guys, one sec. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, we caught a decent buy on the Asia stream this morning, which is cool. TikTok is fucking shit. All right. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Thursday. Fuck, okay, there you go. Back. All right, let's have a look. Sebastian, what time in Australia is your other stream? 10 a.m. Australian time. What up, Shem? Good to see you, my brother. So let's have a look here. You know, gold kind of pushed up this morning. We're coming back down now. I'm not a huge fan on sells. Like, although we're moving down, it's a very ugly range for me to want to participate in. So I'm hoping to find some sort of support here and move back up, ideally. I was waiting for you all morning. Well, we're here. What up, what up? So what's that, an hour closure? We've got a bunch of closures over here. You know, it's looking bearish, that's for sure. If you zoom out on the 4 hour and take a look here, there's like, this is a pretty well-respected area on the 4 hour. You know, quite interesting to observe. Cali, sweet. No bottom wick on the daily. Yeah, wouldn't be too concerned about that. Like, you will find that a lot on gold with these daily candles. You'll find them pretty frequently without a bottom or a top wick. Do you write private messages to us? No, not on TikTok. Sadine, what up? Do you have Twitch or Kick? No, I'm live on YouTube. I have Yui. What's your win rate? 100%. Running on empty. What up? What up? Chicago. Damn. Yeah, I'm just looking for, I'm going to need a bit more structure here to get an idea of what to potentially take. Name of the YouTube. It's the exact same name as my TikTok name. Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live there right now. Full screen. Full screen on YouTube. And you guys, you can probably see in the description, still got this 91% discount going for Bullinox accounts. This is a code here. Look at this. We've sold 86 have been sold in the last like 20 hours. You get 91% off. Nice, Uncle. Good to have you there, brethren. Does it really have a high-pitched noise? I'm going to block you if you're lying. I'm going to block you aggressively. I'm going to block you if you're lying. Check. I'm going to block you. Yay! Just wasted 10 seconds. Let's trade. That's it, my bro. Let's trizzle. You know, we can either find some support here or support down here. We'll see. There is a faint one. All right, I'm going to have to put my thing back on then. I'll put my filter back on. There, it should go away now, but the audio is going to be a bit shitter. I'll put the noise suppressor on. I hear it as well, he's not lying. It should be gone now. What up, Pez Lord? P-Zilla. It's probably just my computer in the background, like the fan. What up, Dreesky? I fixed it, yeah. Kashi, what's up, my friend? Big K-Dog. We're doing it, man. We're doing it. So, yeah, the thing here with gold is, you guys, is... You know, we're moving down here now. Really want to try to see if we can create a bit of support. Create some sort of structure, or at least just get a green candle printed here. To start looking at some options. What up, Thor? Want to see a green candle so we can start looking at some options. NQ got anything for us? Bullish. Yeah, I don't know about... NQ's just looking weird, bro. It's not looking good to scalp right now. Cash money. That's right. Is this code still available for Bullinox? Yep. Here's the code, 91% off. YRB9G. For 50k, 100k, 150k, and 250k accounts. 91% off. That's the code there. Big Calvin. Yeah, we took a really clean breakout trade here on the Asia stream. Right here, actually. Really, we're waiting. Like, the first hour of Asia was this, and we're just kind of waiting through all this chop. You know, and then this candle started to push up. We're like, oh man, we might have missed the opportunity. We might have to wait for some structure to form. But then it kind of rejected back down to a degree. Still closed above that level that we had marked. Waited for the retest. Overall bias was bullish. And then once it flipped back in the direction, we had a buy stop sitting there and pushed up. I took that on all three accounts and easy money. Work out how much you make from Bullinox, Dan. Yeah, it's about $450. Like just this will be about $450. Man, if I could sell 100 of these a day, that's a freaking pretty good side hustle. 450 bucks a day, gang. So everyone buy these challenges so I get money. And you get 91% off all challenges. Yeah, it has a trailing drawdown. Trades meow. Yeah, nice pair. I seen you took this nice impulse sell here. Beautiful. Big traderholics. What up, gang? Oh, you got 2 nut last night? Nice. Sick. Yeah, man, it's so fucking cheap. It's not even funny. But I might start working with a different prop firm. And they're going to be providing me accounts to give away and discounts and shit like that. I think they're going to pay me around... I'm going to try and hustle for $7,000 US a month. And then a discount code. But the stipulation is they have to give me lots of accounts to give away to the community for free. Whenever I talk to these prop firms, that's all I say. I'm like, can I give accounts away? That's all. How long have you been using Bullet? Ages, months, probably all of 2025. I don't even remember. Time flies. Oh, nice sleep. You brought a 200 and a 100. Nice. Sick. Keeping it real though. I'm just telling you what's up. Nothing to hide. If a prop firm says I'm paying you this amount of money and here's all the shit, I'm like, it's not taken away from anyone else. I'm getting paid and I get to give away accounts. It's a win-win for everyone. I won't say what prop firm it is just yet because I haven't locked the deal and I'm actually trying to get in contact with Bullinox, but they keep giving me generic email replies. So I just joined their Discord today and I'm going to try and, really try and find someone to talk to in Bullinox. I got 100K from Bullinox yesterday, but never traded on Project X before. Yeah, Project X is sick. It's good. You can use Ninja and Project X for Bullinox. Man, I want to do Bullinox. They don't have like much of a social media or anyone to talk to other than generic emails. I'll harass them for you. Yeah, everyone message them and say, get Daniel. How do you mark your support and resistance levels? Look, man, to be honest, right now, I don't have many. Like, I could say that this is the closest level of support technically, because on the 15-minute time frame, there's red and green candles respecting that level. Closing, but above that, it's all green. This is still not anything because this candle hasn't closed yet. So we'll have to wait and see. Let's see if anyone's bought any more since we just jumped on. Oh, somebody just brought a challenge over here. Somebody here just bought a challenge. 91% off, you guys. That's the code there. Bullinox. All accounts. Yeah, I think they have Tradeovate. I can't remember. I don't know why you would ever choose Tradeovate over Project XO. It's like all these other ones are so stuck in the mud. They're like, it's like using a fucking Atari, bro. Gold Killer, I'm gonna have to ban you, bro, because every stream you do this, and it's just annoying now. Like, I don't care other traders want to promote their shit, but like the spamming is just annoying. At least fine with Project X, please. Yeah, I know, man. I will. Regardless, I already spoke to them and said, like, they're happy with me to stay with Bullinox as well at the same time. I don't have to be exclusive. We're exclusive now. What is your risk on a 150K account? I don't know. I always use 100K accounts and I don't risk much because I just stack accounts. My max loss for a day per account is $400. But that's very rare that I'll do that. Connect, Brown. Nah, Rodriguez, it's only because he comes in every stream and it's just like spammy. Yep, sleep appreciation. I agree with you. Very much so. Adrian, what up? What up? Now, the only reason I have this level here is because I'm potentially anticipating volume to kind of maybe respect this, maybe. But I don't think it will. Like, I don't care if it will. My next level is here, and we'll just wait and see. Sorry, you guys on TikTok couldn't even see that. I was saying I was anticipating it to find some sort of resistance at this level because of this. But the clear level is here. We'll have to wait and see if this wants to print green or not. Yes, that's right. Singui. They use Project X as well. Yep. What strategy you use? I guess you would just say price action, bro. Price action trading, no indicators. Market structure, candlestick analysis. Bing bong bang. Look, someone else just brought a challenge. Wow. This is a code, you guys, 91% off. People over here are buying challenges. Why don't you stream full screen? I do. I'm live on YouTube right now with the full screen. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name of that. I'm live on YouTube with the full screen right now. Then use DRX1. Nah, I don't use any of that correlation shit. Nah. Yes, people challenge failed challenges in last. Maybe. Project X is this platform, Matt. It's like the platform that you actually take the trades on, like the UI. Don't use Rhythmic, use Project X. Won't this go up? No one knows, brother. All right, so we haven't closed red still. I'm just gonna delete this for now. I'm gonna keep this here, and we're just gonna have to wait to see our price, what price wants to show. We're gonna have to wait and see. Like the reality of the game right now is we're gonna need a green candle to print. Let's see what NQ reckons. I really want to know how to open an account, but I don't know. No, you don't want to open an account, bro, because you will just lose whatever you do. You need to study the game. You need to study the game, cousin. Wow, NQ's rejecting big time. This is futures. Good to have you here. Bro, all in buy. Bro, all is red. So all I do is wait to be shown something. What's the activation fee? Go into buy challenge. Just look it up, but don't even worry about that, bro. Like, worry about passing the challenge, not activation fees. Let's not let Daniel forget he called Raja so with bro. Let me forget that. Why not Rhythmic? I just don't like I think it's like using Atari, and this is like using Xbox. Most people actually probably don't even know what an Atari is. It's like using a PS1. This is a PS5. You want them PS1 graphics, bro? Do you really want to look at Lara Croft with those square titties? Or do you want to look at PS5 where it's like realistic AI titties? I don't know. I know what I'll choose. Bucko. Do you have a discount for... Bro, I'm not just like a discount machine. I just have a discount for one prop firm right now. Bullinox, 91% off. That's the discount code there. How possible is it to grow a $10 account? Very possible, but it depends what you mean by grow. It depends what you mean by grow. It depends what you mean by how much you want it to grow by and everything like that, and the time you expect it to take. This is futures. But if you're trading gold, it's the same shit. Where can you count down the time? Oh, sorry, I'll bring this over. If your thing can't see the timer over here to the right, you just right click on this, and then down here it says countdown to a bar close. What did you trade today? Took a buy position over here, right here, in the Asia sesh with the guys in the mentorship. Bullinox is a futures firm. You trade gold live every day? That's right. I trade London Open gold every single day. I love you. Please enter soon. You love me and you want me to waste and throw my money away. Is that love? I don't think that's love. Because if you really love me, what you would be saying is, I love you, Daniel, and I want you to enter a trade when you see this happen next. And then when it leaves a thing like that, and then the next 1 week's down, I want you to take a buy position right there. That's what you should be saying if you really loved me. All right? Toxic love. Hey, if I were to pass a challenge, can I copy trade or link it to another challenge? Yes, you can. Yeah, you can link, Tino, you can link funded accounts to challenge accounts. They just have to be the same account size, that's all. Does this guy ever buy anything, or does he just sit here and pretend? He just... That's... When you typed that, that's the voice that I imagined. Does this dude even play anything? That's the voice that I pictured you typing that in. Patience is key, but you have the key to my heart. Ooh. Oh, I remember this Starlight one, this Starlight person. And I specifically said I won't block this person just yet because it's kind of entertaining to have a retard in the chat. That's full much. Please show us a confirmation again. Well, it's kind of doing it, but anything can happen in 9 minutes. I don't know. If something like this happened, I'd be pretty interested. Next one could wick down, push up. I think that looks all right. I think that look... Oh no, I just got banned on TikTok. Hate speech. Yeah, see, Starlight, that's your fault. I called you a retard. God damn it. Yeah, I've been banned before for calling someone a retard on stream. Oh well, there you go, TikTok. See you later. How many accounts do you blow before becoming profitable? A lot. Probably 20 or something. Just ban Starlight. I know, now that I got now that I just got my TikTok shut down because of him, I might have to ban him. I just lost you on TikTok. Yeah, I know. I was called someone a retard. Yeah, I called someone a retard. And TikTok shut me down for it. I can't be bothered starting it back up. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Drop a thumb for us, cats. 42 likes over here. If we can get to 100, I'll give you a 91% off discount code. I'll give you a 91% discount code right here for all Bullinox accounts. When you bought your first funded, did you feel like you were close? Do you mean when I bought my first challenge account? Did you feel like you were close to being profitable? Maybe in a delusional way, but maybe in a delusional way, but not in a realistic way. Because I always traded funded accounts when I was coming up in the game. Yeah, I really like this. If this can close around here and not go too far up, I'm interested in a buy after this. Dan laid back. Oh, it looks like somebody banned Starlight on my behalf. Who's the mod? Who's the mod here? It must be MC. Graph. Oh no, Graph did it. That's so good. Graph, you're a funny guy. How long you banned for? I'm banned till tomorrow. I'm banned on TikTok till tomorrow. This exact time tomorrow. Yeah, Uncle Graf got him. That's hilarious. Here from TikTok. Nice. Good to have you guys here from TikTok. Waiting for Starlight is in jail. Can I have the power of the ban? How? Why did he get banned? Because he's roasting like everything. He's just like he's clearly an antagonist. Like he has no agenda other than just to be an antagonist. Yeah, come on. If this can play ball a little bit. Permaban? Yeah, I was thinking we should have just banned him like properly. Sometimes it's good to have like a retard in the chat just for a bit of entertainment, but it's alright. He'll start popping up on another account. So if we can hang out here on this candle, I'm interested in a wick down, a push up, and a buy position, I believe. Because I'm still bullish on the higher time frames. Like you've really got to build your bias on the higher time frames and then look for entries on the lower. That's really the name of the game. And my definition of a lower time frame is like the 15 is like a really low time frame for me. And when I say a higher time frame, like the 4 hour and the daily, like try to gauge direction on these guys and then look for confluences and entry opportunities on the lower time frames. But yeah, I really don't want this to leave too much further away. Three days in a row, I've been watching you. Thank you for being an insight. Trading is difficult. I'm learning so much. Hoping your calmness can rub off. Oh, sweet. Good to have you here. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Here's the thing with trading. You just show up every day and then do it. That's really the key to success here. You'll actually make a ton of progress just by showing up every day. Like if you show up to this stream every day, you don't even have to listen to me or whatever. Like you're just showing up in front of the charts. Maybe, you know, there's another guy trading as well. You'll advance way further than other people because other people are having days off and, well, I'm going away for a holiday for a week and they're going to not look at the chart, or longevity in the game will just increase your probability of success alone. How are you trading? How are you trading? Do you ever trade 10 micros? Yeah. I'll start stepping size up and stuff as of time goes on. Just happens naturally. I'm not sure, DK. Is there any red folder? I don't think there is. Oh, yeah, flash PMI tonight. That's not for ages. And if any of you guys got any analysis on gold, I really like what Suman took here. I like these setups. Took a couple type 2 plays here. Suman's good. Suman's been around for a long time. Trades very similar. Breakout here, retest, push. Show me again the code. Yeah, I'll show you again the code for, this is 91% off for all Bull and Ox accounts. I'm going to put it in the chat. Here, this is what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to go to my Discord and put this in the YouTube chat. And then I'm going to pin it. So if anyone wants 91% off all Bull and Ox accounts. Exactly, Perry. And that's when you know you really, like, trading is really for you. Like, you might have a really rough day or week and blow accounts and feel like dog shit. But it'll take like a day and you're just like, I have to get back. Like I can't, like it's not even an option. I have to get back into it. You know what I mean? Like you just like, you know it's where it's at. I failed like 20 challenges, took a couple weeks off. Nice. Yeah, man, everyone fails challenges. It's just part of the game. Oh, God. Fuck, man, I just watched the most painful Joe Rogan episode with this Egyptologist dude. Oh, man. It's just like, this dude is the biggest gatekeeper of the secrets to the fucking Egypt in all humanity. Can he just like leave the role, man? We need somebody in that's actually open-minded and ready to help us find the real answers. All right, so I just need to wick down over here. I'm going to need a wick down and then a push up, and I'll have a buy stop sitting here. I failed 150 challenges. Any tips? Have you passed any yet? Like, obviously, you're going extremely risky to try and pass them. But you could also just be... Like, you obviously are super gambling them. Come on, bro. Give us a wick. You obviously are super gambling them. And, when was the last time you failed a challenge? I had 2 Top Step accounts that I blew last week. Because I was just punching out all these different accounts and I added a couple of Top Step accounts on. And I was like $100 away and I held it through CPI. All right, I'm going to put a buy stop here. But I don't really care about blowing challenges these days. Like, it's really no big deal. A lot of people associate blowing a challenge with blowing $100,000. It's like I blew $70. Like, you know, that's like 3 coffees freaking near where I live sometimes. Looking to replace my 8 to 9 managing prisoners in a stressful environment. Happy to... Yeah, that's it, Sleep. Just take your time. You can eventually replace your day job and things like that with this game. And the best way that I do it and the way that I tell my guys in the mentorship is the goal is to get funded. Then we get funded with multiple accounts. Then we stack multiple accounts. And then you can just trade like I do, which is, you know, maybe you're risking 100 per account over multiple accounts. 2 trades a day, you can make like $1,000 a day easily. The guys in your Discord are so nice and helpful. Great community there. Yeah, that's awesome to hear. Yeah, we've got a really good community over there in the Discord. Yeah, we definitely got a good community in the Dissy. I'll add a link here if anyone's interested in joining the Dis. It's just posted in the chat there. Oh, look at the color of the bridge. Boom! You know what that means, gang? That's right, the private jet's coming. But yeah, like I said, man, the goal is to... I don't think you'll get a jump scare. My... oh my god, head spin. My... the PC music's not on. Yeah, remember the goal is I'm trying to help guys visualize the game plan to escape the matrix through trading, which is the easiest, best way is stack funded accounts. Once you've got funded accounts, chip away small portions of those accounts and just grow them gradually. And then before you know it, you're trading in such a manner where you're getting $1,000 days without really thinking about it too much, without risking too much. Is that a buy limit? Yeah. Watch out for that Perry guy. Yeah, he's super dodgy. He'll freaking get you. He'll bite you right in the schlong. I mean, if this breaks its own top wick here, the probability of it continuing up is relatively high now. Now that it's tapped a couple times. Activated? Not activated. And what's the range to like this little bit of resistance here? 28 pips. Nice. Something in you. Yeah. Oh, look at this 91. I wonder if we'll get 100 challenges sold today. This is the discount code, you guys, for 91% off. Then I agree with you about the sim accounts, but new guys after 6 months don't free trade. I don't know what you mean. If this candle were to close like this, small body red like that, the 30-minute candle will still be open. I'll still be interested in taking a buy. I'll keep my order there. Just like looking at this as a bit of support being formed on the 15-minute time frame. But my thesis is still valid on the 30-minute. Moves. Yeah, there's a lot of volatility in here. You can see it bouncing around. Can certainly see it bouncing around. What do you think about NQ? From what I've been looking at, it doesn't look good to scalp right now. Don't really feel comfortable scalping it right now. Maybe there is a level here. I'll put that there and just remember to come back. Yeah, pause. That level that I put there, if that we get a 15-minute candle break and close above that level, I'll come back and look at it and see if it looks like a potential breakout trade. What leverage do you use? I'm not sure. I think it's 1 to 100 with these firms. Where will you put your stop loss? Underneath this current candle's bottom wick at 44 pips, 43 pips. Oh, yeah, elite, but you'll still have risk on the table when you're trading funded accounts. Trust me, when you're trading a funded account or a challenge account, it still hurts. You still have emotions involved. It's not demo, that's for sure. Trust me, you blow a challenge account, it will still hurt. Well, like if you're still coming up in the game. If I blow a challenge account, I'm literally like, I'll be like, oh, I guess it kind of sucks. Like, because I don't spend long on them either these days. These days. Guys, can we get to 100 likes, please? Please? It's my only income is likes. Where's your TP? I don't know. I'll probably take size off at this resistance level here if I get tagged in. I'll take 80% off here. And then I'll let the rest run to maybe up here. Move stops to break even. And, but it could also just shoot down and then take you out. So, you know, I'm willing to risk, you know, my profits that I'm up a little bit and some more. Demo hurts my ego. Yeah, I think demo, maybe don't stay on for too long. Demo, there's definitely no emotions. You'll start like just fucking around. So stay on demo for a little bit, but not too long, I would suggest. So I'll give this candle, you know, like a minute and a half, 2 minutes tops to push up here. If not, I'll cancel it. I'll wait for this candle to close and then I'll re-put my order back in. How many funded should we stack before trading it? What do you mean? I'm saying stack funded accounts once you get to a level where you're passing accounts. Oh, what up, Tom? Sorry, I didn't see your thing there. No, I just got banned because I called someone a retard, so I'm banned for a day. Yeah, I called someone a retard on there. Yeah. The candle retraces more than 50% of the previous candle? Yeah, I wouldn't even think of that, bro. Wouldn't even think about that in this type of a case. Does your Bullinox code work for the 50k account? Yeah. The Bullinox works for the 50k as well. Oh, look at this. 2 more just sold. So we've sold 8 accounts during this live stream. People are over here buying these accounts for 91% off on Bullinox. Code is not working. Yes, it is. It doesn't work for 25k accounts or option 2. Only option 1 and then... That's just a normal insult in the UK. It's a normal insult everywhere. It's like... And he was being freaking stupid. All right, I'm going to cancel this for now, and I'm going to look to put it back in if this candle can close what I printed before, which is red. I just can't be bothered using red, but like a red candle like that. The next one, wick down. I won't need too much of a wick, and I'll put my order back in. Because a lot of this was based off the 30-minute time frame. I like how this looks on the 30. And this could be a good opportunity for a little bit of support to be formed here for the 30 to continue up. Same. What do you mean same? Did you get banned as well, Tom? Man, you know how it is streaming on TikTok, bro. Sometimes it's just like... Hey. Yeah, I've been throwing NQ in the mix. I've been throwing NQ in the mix for sure. Yeah, I've had some good success with NQ. I've had some pretty good success with NQ, to be honest. Yeah. Look at this like perfect kind of curve. It's been respected. It kind of looks like it wants to be like, see ya. Yeah, you can pass it in one day. Oh, really, Tom? Yeah, they ban you for a day. Yeah, you can't. I just said you can't do it for option 2, only option 1. Yeah, you're doing it wrong, bro. That's why. Oh, look, someone just brought one as well just then. All right, so we got 2 minutes. If this candle can hang out like this, I'll be interested. Yeah, I told you why. I told this people. What is this? Oh. So see if this can hang out like this. This will be good. Even if it closes small body green, I might still be interested. Look at this view, man. Do you guys realize 3 and a bit years ago I had nothing. I literally had nothing to my name. A lot can change in like 3.5 years, my dudes. Yes, they pay out. You guys need to stop stressing about, do they pay out? Is there this fee? Is that? It's like, just trade first. You know what I mean? Yeah, Australia, this is Brisbane. NQ is kind of pushing down over here. I mean, if NQ can smoke... what does the 1 hour look? Yeah. Fuck me. Can you get a more perfect line? NQ is going to pop. It's definitely going to pop. Flat top. NQ is going to pop, and I don't know which way. I do have a feeling it's going to pop down because it hasn't even tested at all. All day it hasn't tested going down. It's tested going up a couple of times. How did gold close? It's not the best. I'll lower my size a little bit. I'm going to lower my size a little bit. I would have liked a little bit smaller of a candle here. Bro is pushing 40. Okay, if I was pushing 40, like, what's your point? Like, I don't understand your point. Bro is pushing 40. Bro's pushing 40 and he's just being a human being. Like, what a loser. It's like, what am I doing? That's weird. You know what I mean? That's so fucking stupid. Oh, man. Brought it? Oh, sick. Let's have a look. Nice. 95. Bro, we're actually going to sell 100 of these in 24 hours. Pushing 50. Yeah. Bro's pushing 90. Project X, 100%. Use Project X, bro. Trust me. Wait, can you guys get this 40-year-old to 100 likes? Oh my god, 6 likes away from getting 100 likes in this stream. If I get 100 likes, I'll actually reverse age. I won't be pushing 40. Dan's unfilled. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I've lowered my size a little bit. If it wants to push up here, I still like the setup. I just wish this red candle was a bit smaller. Yeah, nothing clear enough on NQ just yet. Pushing 40 behavior. Yeah, I don't get it. I fucking get it. I really don't get it. If gold could push up, I would become 20 instantly. Yeah. Legit. Taking an impulse entry. I guess you would call it an impulse entry. Like, sort of, not really. Like, it is kind of what I was looking for. Does Forex look any better? I wouldn't even look at Forex. The only thing I look on Forex now is on the 4-hour candle. But I can kind of already picture what the 4-hour looks like. Yeah, nothing, no information. You look hella young, Dan. Well, I'm not actually 40. I guess when you say pushing 40, I'm 34. So I guess in theory I'm pushing 40, but technically everyone's pushing 40. Like, if we're going to get real technical with it. The sentiment is bear. You're a bear. If the sentiment is bear, I'm the bear spray. Bros Dragon 30. Thor, you're overweight, no one loves you, and fuck off. How about that? Because nobody that's killing it in life would be doing this in the chat. So you need to figure your life out, my dude. How about that? Did you ever think of that one? No, you didn't. You literally didn't. Please make a video on how lot size and profit. Yeah, you could just Google that, Muhammad. It's super easy. That's the stuff you could just Google. Like, you wouldn't need me to make that video. There's so many of those type of videos. Yeah, that's what I was saying before, Graph. The bridge is green, man. That means private jet is on the way, son. Yeah, I wish NQ had more signals to give a better indication of what they might want to do, but it just doesn't. Gold should grab the trend line. I don't even know what trend line or anything, bro. I'm not even thinking about that personally. Did we get to 100 likes? Oh, wow. 123 likes. Sick. Sick as. Gold's really just kind of chilling here for a minute. Ariel, I was meant to message you. I didn't see you yesterday. Hope you're doing well. Do you use a fib? Hell no. Let's look at the fib chat. Let's get fibby with it. Oh, you're right. Maybe I do need to use a fib. It's tapping right into the fucking 382 level. Yep. Okay. It's tapping into the 382 level. And I will think about that. Viewers are very mean with likes. I know. It's like, just caress your hands ever so softly against the like button. No idea. Bro, did I not just use a fib to the perfect thing? What's your TP? I don't know. I'm not getting much volume here, man. I really wanted to see something here. We're kind of running out of time. But yeah, my TP on the 15 minute would be this level here. I'd be taking off 85%, moving stops to break even, and then letting the rest run up to here if it wants to do that. That was my plan for this trade. But we might be running out of some steam here. Alternatively, like let's use our brain in the other direction, like, you know, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to give this one more minute. You guys talk so much nonsense. Let Daniel do his thing. Teach us how he's... Let Daniel speak. Oh, fuck. When's your birthday? December 27th. I'm going to cancel this. And hang on a second. We're going to have to wait to see how this 30 closes now, which is in 6 minutes. NQ. Wow, NQ is really just stuck in the mud here. I personally would not take a buy. Okay. Fuck. Thank God I cancelled that order. Shit. Thank God I fucking cancelled that order. Yeah, and man, I'm sus on NQ, bro. We're about to, NQ is about to bust all over this shit. Trust me. And I want to be a part of that bust, that burst, but I need to find the right place to enter. Why are we in buys? I was anticipating this 30-minute candle here. So we came down, created some support here, rejected off the bottom end. I was anticipating this wick to come down now. My overall bias is bullish. Come down and push up from here. I had a buy stop sitting there. But we kind of just danced around here a little bit too much. Very funny is. How long is this code for? Yeah, it'll be up for a couple more days. Getting quick, ladies and gentlemen. 91% off all fucking challenges here on Bullinox. 50K, 100K, and 250K, 150K. This is a code here. 91% off, bro. That's the price of a coffee. You can get a fucking 100K account for a coffee. NQ always busting? Yeah, sorry. Sus. Nah, I don't mean... Nah, I'm not being sus. Then that's wrong. No. Or we could burst up. We really could burst up. Buy one tonight? Yeah, get one tonight. Either way, NQ is not going to give us a pretty entry. I already know it. Hey, Dan, 30-minute closes like this with the small body next to the 30-minute candle wick down, break the high. Yeah, I was thinking that as well, Leo, but my only reservation is... So you're basically saying the same thing I was looking for on the 15, which is a small body red to print and then the green to push past. Same thing on the 30 now. But my reservation for that is I can't ignore what the 15 minutes telling me. And right now the 15-minute is telling me that it's not looking pretty. Maybe if this 15 had a steeper wick like this, then I would be interested, right? That looks good, doesn't it? If that happened, but I don't like it's got a little bitch wick. So I'm thinking. I won't tell you what I'm thinking until this gets closer to being closed. Oh, this is an hour closure. Shit. This is an hour closure. We're getting a very similar setup here on the hour. The same setup is on the 30 hour, and they're kind of like stepping their way down. Maybe I can take it. If this pushes up a bit more, I might be interested in the exact same setup, but based on the 1 hour. Price. Trading NQ during London Frankfurt session. Yeah, I used to think that as well, but fuck, man. NQ just has volume during all sessions, I've noticed. You touch the like button, just a tip. Nice. Little bitch. Who do you consider the most reliable mentor in the world of trading? You're looking at him. Couldn't get the Bullinox platform to work. The customer service was terrible. What do you mean you couldn't get it to work? What do you mean? I'll try and help you. Just let me know what issues you're having. If it doesn't work with the one actually trust. I actually like how it's looking on the 4 hour. Yeah, we'll just keep stepping it up if it doesn't work on the 1 hour and just go the daily, the weekly, the monthly. Looks like it's popping here a bit now. So I would never want to be a part of that. So a few confluences could be if this 15-minute breaks above this level here, right? So then we've got like a minor breakout. And then you step to the 30 and go, okay, now I've got a bit of support here formed on the 30. You go to the 1 hour and you go, well, there's that initial setup we're looking for, but on the 1 hour. So I think there's a fair few things adding up here. All I would need is this candle to wick down, push up. I'll have a buy stop sitting there and then alhamdulillah. don't be a bitch about it. Don't even think about it. Just be like, this is what I need to see, and when I see it, I'll do it. Oh, you boys trading off the yearly candle. What up, Abhamjeet? Hey Dan, try the fib on the 4. No, I only fucking around when I use the fib. I don't care about the fib, bro. Thanks for the recommendation, but I just, yeah, I don't even use it or think about it, bro. Has anyone ever told you look like Rooster from Top Gun? Oh, Thor, you're the person that was saying you're pushing 40, so I'm not going to trust what you say. I'm not going to look it up. Oh, wow, look at this over here. Okay. Plans are changing, which is fine. This is a game of a trader. So if we put this here, let's measure the range to this next point. $38 pips. And then this level here. All right, so look how this hour closed doji like this. There's indecision. See how when we put our order there and we're anticipating things to happen, nothing was happening. We were kind of stuck in the mud. And look how this hourly candle perfectly depicted that. Doji. There was a tug of war between buyers and sellers. There's no one in control just yet. But I think based on the 15-minute time frame, I don't have a bias. Just like that candle showed me, it doesn't have a bias. Neither do I right now. So I'm open to a break above here. Take a type 1 breakout or a break below here. Take a type 1 sell breakout. I'd rather buy, but I think that's where my head's at right now. Alternatively, I won't say. That's what I'm thinking right now. NQ, what do you got for us? I might take an impulse buy on NQ. A lot of indecision here. I think if NQ can move up here. I think if NQ can move up here, it doesn't have too much business being up here again. Oh wow, we're getting Romanian slang over here. I was trying to connect with Quant Tower. Whoa. Bullinox uses Project X. Project X. Oh wow. See what I mean? Look at I just burst. So I could get cooked here, but I'm willing to get cooked. I'm willing to take a cooking. Good looking. World's most impulsive trade. I've invited Aaron to come see us. Wait, what? Come see us. There's a 1,200 pip imbalance. I don't even know what an imbalance is. So this trade used this is the most technical advanced concept you can get, which is price should move up here. If it's going to push up here, then it should keep pushing. Billions and billions. That's my advanced concept used on this trade. If price moves up, it should move up. If it goes up, maybe gold will keep pushing down. Maybe, yeah, maybe. Come on, NQ, don't prove my I'm riding this to all-time highs. Yeah. Don't prove my advanced concept wrong. Hammer magnet strat? Yeah, nice. Yeah, gold's really coming down over here. A lot of if but maybe. No, bro, I'm using the most hidden advanced concept known to man, which is if price moves up, the probability of it going up should be pretty darn high. At least a wick fill. At least a wiki over here. Told you guys. Why are you trying to doubt my fucking secret strategy that I found billions of years ago in the Himalayas? You guys doubted this strategy, bro. Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about the daily not having a bottom wick though. Like if you go through gold daily candles, look how many don't have a bottom wick. A lot of them. Big Benji, what up, gang? Benjosaurus. Billions and billions. Come on, NQ. I need to pay rent today. I need to pay rent today.
Billions and 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 billions.
Right. So, we'll see. Yeah, I prefer if gold could break above this level here. No, you're not, Perry. You are in lockdown, son. Damn, my secret strategy might not work here. My secret strategy might not work here. Theme song will get played if we make billions and billions. I like this as a break above level. I do. Alhamdulillah, brother, alhamdulillah. Fucking hell. You guys, 91% off codes over here. Wow, nearly 100. 2 more and we sold 100 of these 91% off accounts. Crazy. This is a code here. Yeah, I do trades, meow. Do you get any revenue from streaming? No, I did. I was getting about 500 a month. I'd probably get more from that now that I have more viewers, but 500 a month, but I turned off the ads because it's too annoying. You're watching a stream and then you get ads. I took the NQ one. No, why did you guys take the NQ trade? I was only dicking around. I wasn't dicking around, but it is like, it's not a serious setup. Billions. Was it because yeah, NQ's been in the range for fucking days. All day. NQ, what are you doing, bro? Are you gonna bust or not? Yeah, I thought if it was gonna go up here, the probability of it continuing up is pretty high again. But maybe not. Maybe it was all a dream. How much is your rent, bro? My rent's $5.90 a week, to be serious. Trillions and zillions. Yeah, I'll put some text here. I think a closure above here would be quite nice. We'll have to wait and see. Did I just say bust? Want a bed? It's just a 1-bedroom. Yeah, I want to move out. I need a bigger place. Schoolians. $2,000 a month, dead. More than $2,000 a month. Yeah. Yeah, rent is insane now. Emotional indicator, nice. Yeah, I used to rent a 2-bedroom in a better spot than this, and it was like 6 years ago, and it was like way cheaper. Got 3 minutes for this candle to close. See what happens. Oh, NQ's cooking. Come on, NQ, bro. One job. Fuck me. In one job. Mom. Tell the landlord I'm moving out. Yeah, I guess my secret strategy isn't good there. I guess my secret strategy is not good. Let's go back to the standard strategy. I don't know how people do it either. Yeah, some rents and even mortgages. Like I really don't know how people do it. Blew my account on that NQ trade. Time to use a 91% discount. Yes. 91% discount. Get a new challenge over here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, 100 challenges just sold right then. We've just sold 100 challenges at 91% off. Wow. No, I change my bias as I go. It's a good question. No, I'm always open to changing my bias as the market develops. Yep. Yeah, I really thought if NQ was going to push up one more time, there was a pretty decent probability for a impulse buy. We closed pretty strong here. I'm not even mad at that trade, to be honest. Like, it's obviously not something that I would ever... it's not like one of my playbook setups, but I think it was not a bad setup. Well, obviously it was not a good setup because it didn't work. Yeah, rent in Australia everywhere is fucked. Feel sorry for a lot of people. All right, so there's a candle closure. Let's have a look. What has NQ got for us? Anything? No. London again, coming through with the fucking trash volume. We'll see. Are these markets even open? I know, bro. Literally. Let's go to Bali team. Yeah, I know. I've been... Someone else, one of the guys in the mentorship mentioned that. I was like, fuck, it might not be a bad idea. Then stop tempting us with NQ. Yeah, that's why I say don't take... if you guys care about taking a trade, like if I'm clearly not using no analysis, I'm just like, I'm going to put a buy stop here. Don't do it just because I do it. I'm obviously doing it because it's not money that I care about losing. I always say, don't even take the trades I take anyway. You got to build your own analysis. How many pairs? Just gold, bro. Have a look at NQ every now and then. Yeah, Asia's had all the volume. Gay bacon. Oh, that's so fucking funny. Up tomorrow because now that we're all the way down here, I'm going to need price to, you know, develop or at least create some shit here for a type 2 around here to catch it on the way back up. Nah, I don't trade New York. Oh, NQ, now you want to do it. I knew this would happen. Nah, that's it. I'm getting back in. I knew this would happen. Well, how the fuck did it tap me out? It must have tapped me out by like... Oh, it got me... Oh, it got me by a couple pips there. I have my sell stop. I have my order there. This got me. Yeah, I really thought if it was going to head up there, there's a pretty high probability it's going to push. Yeah. All right, you guys. We'll appreciate you guys jumping on. I'm going to hang out off stream and chat with the guys in mentorship. We're going to look for some sort of type 2 play here, probably. Look for signs of weakening and try and catch a move back up. That's the only thing I'm looking for today. I can't sell today at all. And that's all. Easy as gang. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Thanks for joining.